Good morning, team members. This is Sue Dixon, your upline, coming out to you this morning. Just want to talk to you about some things that you can do on a rainy day. It's been raining here in Florida off and on for the past couple weeks, and sometimes it's a challenge on those days to get your books out, or it's no fun making deliveries in the rain, or just the things you normally do when it's a nice day. But there's always something you can do to be productive on those days. I was hoping to get some books out today, and I should have done it yesterday because it didn't rain yesterday, but it said it was gonna rain yesterday. So I came into the office early, and what I'm gonna do today is work on some customer calls. That's always a good thing, catch up with customers you haven't spoken with in a while, because if it's raining, they're probably not out and about, if they're not working. Or maybe they're out of school now, the kids are home, so the moms are home, so you probably get a chance to talk to them. So take the time when the weather's not so good to get caught up on things and work on your calendar. What things can you put in your calendar to do? Go through your new book, like Campaign 13 is now starting, so take the time to look at the book. So we have Aspira. I can never flip my phone right. So Aspira is, the featured product. So, and it's also we got the free shaker if they spend $35 or more. So if they buy the protein powders, they will get a free shaker. If they buy some other items, work in one of the powders, either the packaged ones or the ones that come in the big container. Actually, the bigger container is 15 servings. And the one with the packets, it's just 10 servings. I've actually been using those for my samples to give out to customers, even some team members, to get them to try the powder. So it's easier to do it with the individual packets with that. So take this time to get samples together, get your labels put on there. It should have your name, your phone number, your website on there. Never forget to put your e-store on there. You want to promote that e-store as much as possible to get people to shop online with you. The other thing is I have a list of skincare customers. So, skincare is on sale. Let me just flip this. There's all kinds of skincare on sale. So customers that haven't purchased in the last 2 to 3 months, I'm going to call them and follow up with them, because a jar of a day or night moisturizer usually will last 3 months. So before it actually runs out, we want to touch base with them and make sure that we can replenish that before they're completely out. So I have a list of, I have a checklist of what the customers have bought. If they did Thermoform, Eye Lift, I have it written down. I have their phone numbers. So I will go through that list, and I keep adding to that list. I have it in Excel too, but I'm very visual. I like to write things down of the calls that I'm making. And hopefully I'll get to make at least 40 to 50 calls today. The other thing I did this week is all my glazeware customers. Because I don't know if you guys know, but glazeware is going away, and they're coming out with a new one. It's the Avon True Color. So the packaging is changing. The one thing I do love is you can actually read the name now, because they put a sticker on there, and it will not be all sealed in that black paper. It's actually, it'll have a seal. Whoops. It'll have a seal over here. So you'll actually be able to see the colors, which that's awesome. So I'll be getting one of each to start with, so I can show people the colors and then taking orders from there. But I want to make sure my customers that have bought glazeware in the past, if they want to stock up, that they have the opportunity to do that. So whenever you see something that's coming out, a new product, and it's going to replace something, make sure to get those customers a courtesy call, that you're giving them that courtesy call, and say, hey, do you want to stock up? Because these colors are not going to be similar to the ones that they're buying. This color that I bought, which is like a pinky peach, it says it's like the nude. It's not even close. So there is a little discrepancy when Avon does, put what they recommend for customers to use. If you use this in the past, that this is what this is what you should use. The other thing, if you can see my mess back here, I've been working on my desk, cleaning out drawers and stuff. So that is my goal today, that I will hopefully get most of that done. while I'm in my office making phone calls. Yesterday, I actually made a new recruiting flyer. So this is stuff that you can do on those rainy days, just to get ahead. Sometimes you don't have enough time when you're running and you're out doing your deliveries and stuff. So on the days that you kind of got to stay put at home, utilize that time and be productive, and just set yourself, 2 or 3 things that you're going to do today. It could be labeling your books, making a new flyer. It could be, making some of those phone calls, touch base with those customers, set up time for deliveries. Maybe tomorrow it's not going to rain, so that's the day you can get your deliveries done. But don't just say, oh, it's a crappy day, it's a rainy day, I can't do my business, because all you're doing there is making an excuse. You can do your business no matter what the weather is, because there's always something to do, and to move yourself forward. So whatever you're doing today is going to generate income for you in the future. So think about those things. If I'm doing something today, is it going to be helping me be more productive? Is it going to help me get ahead in my business? Is it going to give me the opportunity to get a sale? Because if I make a phone call, or maybe you're calling some potential recruits that are still pending, or someone you thought about that might want to do Avon, just pick up the phone and call them. Even if you have to leave a message, give them the information, leave your website to go on. They can go on your e-store and click on Join Now. That's one of the easiest ways to do that. So just leave that information, even if you can't talk to them, and then, follow up with them in a day or two. So I hope you guys have a good day. I know that those of us here in Florida, it's a soggy day, but be productive, and hopefully wherever you are, you're working your business each day. So go out there, plant some seeds, and with the rain, it's going to make it grow. So just think of that. The work that you're doing today is going to help your business prosper. So you guys have an awesome day, and I just want to thank you for all that you do. God bless.